3 important questions to ask a divorce attorney before you hire them. Before hiring a divorce attorney, one of the most important things you can do as a future client is to ask questions that will help you know that the attorney will effectively handle your case. Have you previously handled a case or cases that involve the issues in my case? You want to ensure that the attorney you are hiring has experience in dealing with the issues involved in your case. For example, have they taken a custody or parenting time case all the way through a trial? It is almost always preferable to try and resolve matters before going to a custody trial. However, in the event that your case ends up at trial, you want to know that the attorney handling your case is knowledgeable and experienced to deal with issues surrounding a custody or parenting time trial, such as preparing exhibits, subpoenaing any necessary witnesses, and preparing trial questions for witnesses. Some examples of other complex issues would be spousal maintenance, division of business, and complex asset debt division. The second question to ask is how you will charge me for your services and costs relative to my case. You should expect that any attorney you hire will provide you with a written retainer agreement for you to review, and that he or she will explain to you how they will bill you before you retain them. The retainer agreement should include the attorney's hourly rate, the advance retainer amount to work off of according to fees and costs in your case, what costs you will be charged for and at what rate, the attorney's collection approach if you fail to pay the bill, the interest rate you will be charged for if you do not pay on a timely basis, and the minimum charge, because most attorneys have a minimum charge regardless of the length of time that they work for you. Prior to signing the retainer agreement, you should ask any questions that you may have about the retainer agreement. You should also expect that the attorney will send you a monthly itemized statement outlining all costs and fees that are relevant to your case. Remember, an attorney's retainer agreement is a contract, and just as the attorney will be held responsible for the work he or she puts into your case, you will be held responsible for paying the attorney according to the retainer agreement you sign with him or her. The third question is how will you communicate with me? Your children, your assets, your home, and your future. These are all matters that the attorney you hire will be dealing with. If you call the attorney, you should expect a quick response. Many attorneys have a policy of returning telephone calls and emails within 24 hours. You should expect that your attorney will keep you informed of what is going on in your case. An attorney has an ethical obligation to keep you informed of the status of your case. You can let the attorney know your preferred method of communication, like email or telephone. You should also expect that your attorney will forward you documents relative to your case and keep you informed of any settlement negotiations or important details in your case, like settlement conferences, court dates, and etc. Attorneys are not inexpensive. You should expect timely communication from your attorney relative to your case. Know all of your facts and stay informed. You can't afford to miss the free divorce fact pack at the All About Divorce MN resource blog. Please visit the website below.